Adam, what do you think?
You decide.
Still no children. But I do have 3 camels and a goat with attitude.
They named me Jacob. Yaakov means heel grabber. Yeah, I got labeled a problem before I could even crawl.
All right, let's do it.
First name?
This is Tree.
And I guess I'm Adam.
He breathed into me. Look at this. Everything's alive. Everything's good.
He breathed into me. Look at this. Everything's alive. Everything's good. I'm not alone. But I'm not complete either. Am I? Wait, something's coming. Bone of my bone. Flesh of my flesh. You're her.
She's like music I haven't heard but already know. Like light that knows.
It's a thing I talk to. Helps me remember.
Can I talk to it?
Say anything.
What's that tree?
That's the only one we can't eat from. The tree of the knowledge of good and evil.
Why?
He said it'll bring death, but everything else is ours.
Yeah, everything just changed. But what even is death?
I don't know, but I don't want to find out. You ever get everything you ever needed and still feel a whisper asking for more?
Forget that tree. We've got rivers to name.
Did God really say, you must not eat from any tree?
No, not any tree. We can eat all of them. Just not this one. He said we'd die if we do.
You will not surely die. God knows that when you eat it, your eyes will be opened. You'll be like him, knowing good and evil.
I've never doubted him before. But what if? What if he's protecting something we're meant to grow into? Adam, what do you think?
You decide.
You ever stand right at the edge and wonder what's really waiting on the other side? It's warm. Adam, I feel something. I think
I know what we did, but something's wrong with the world.
He's coming.
Adam, where are you? And I was afraid because I was naked. So I hid. The woman. She gave it to me. And I ate. The serpent. He deceived me. And I ate. He didn't destroy us. He could have. He covered us. You ever lose everything and still feel like grace is following you? All right, we've been evicted. Closed. But the journey is just starting, so...
Shalom, shalom. I'm Abram, son of Terah, descendant of Shem, traveler of who even knows at this point. Okay, here's the update. God, the God, spoke to me. Not a dream, not a vision, just his voice. And he said, leave your country, your father's house, your people, and go where?
To a land I will show you, that's it.
No location, no map, no camel route. Just trust me.
You don't even know where we're going, Abram.
Neither did Noah, and look how that turned out. He said he'll make me a great nation, Which is cool, except I don't have, children.
But hey, who needs logic when you've got a calling? Lot, that bag's mine. The one with the goat cheese.
Anyway, if you see me wandering in the desert looking lost, just know I'm being obedient. You ever get a word from God and it sounds like a wild idea only faith can follow?
Still no children. But I do have 3 camels and a goat with attitude.
He said, count the stars. That's how many descendants I'd have. But my wife's still barren. And I'm closer to being a great-grandfather than a father. You ever trust God and still feel completely forgotten? I haven't given up. I'm just waiting louder now. So Sarai just came to me with a plan. She said, maybe God meant for you to have a child through my servant. Lord, I'm trying to follow you, but this is feeling less like obedience and more like reality TV.
Abram.
So now, I've been told to have a child with Hagar. Yeah, this is about to get complicated. Okay, so I did what Sarah said. Now she's mad at me for doing what she told me to do. Meanwhile, Hagar's giving me side eyes like I'm the villain in a scroll. Y'all, I just wanted a son. I didn't know I was signing up for biblical level drama. God, you promised a nation. I didn't know the first step would be this. Y'all, I'm 100 years old, and I'm holding my baby boy. Sarai laughed when God said it. I laughed too. But guess what? We named him Isaac, because sometimes faith really does end in laughter. Miracles take time. But when God says it, he mends it. Okay, so God gave me a son. A miracle. Laughter himself. You ever trust God so hard it feels like your heart might break? I don't understand. But I'm still walking. They named me Jacob. Yaakov. Means heel grabber. Yeah, I got labeled a problem before I could even crawl. I came out of the womb chasing my brother's foot. Like, full-on ankle hold. I didn't lose the race, I just got here second, physically. When you grow up in second place, you don't just fight for blessings. You start thinking you have to fake one to be seen. And when your name means problem from birth, sometimes you live like that's all you are. So yeah, I pretended to be my brother. Goat fur on my arms, Esau's clothes, my dad. Blind, literally couldn't see me. But spiritually, still saw more in Esau than me. I didn't steal the blessing because I hated my brother. I stole it because I thought God forgot me. It's wild how far you'll go to feel chosen, even if you have to lie to the one who should have chosen you first. You ever work 7 years for a woman and wake up married to her sister? No? Just me? Laban pulled a full Jacob on Jacob. Switched the bride, kept the goat. I mean, well played, Uncle.
I spent my life tricking people into blessings. Then I met a man who could trick with a straight face and still sleep at night.
That was the moment I realized maybe I wasn't clever, just desperate. Esau's coming. 400 men with him. So yeah,
I'm not exactly feeling safe and forgiven right now. I sent him goats, camels, servants. Basically a mobile petting zoo. Thought maybe generosity could erase betrayal.
But guilt doesn't stay buried just because you crossed a few borders.
You can run from your brother. You can run from your past. But eventually, you run out of road. A man came out of nowhere. We fought all night. No name. Then he touched my hip. Just a touch. And it dislocated. That's when I knew this wasn't a man. I asked for a blessing. He gave me a new name. Israel. One who wrestles with God and lives. Sometimes, you lose the fight to win the purpose. Esau, my brother, hugged me. He didn't draw a sword. He didn't yell. He ran and hugged me. The brother I stole from. The one I ran from. He wept on my neck like I hadn't ruined everything. I thought I was walking toward revenge. But grace got there first. You don't have to trick your way into love. God already wrote you in.